In this video, I'll be giving a tutorial on how to use the post-fire screening tool. When you first open the web app, you'll see a splash screen with instructions on how to use the application. If you don't want to see this screen again, hit the checkbox and click OK. The information in the splash screen can also be found in the About widget if you need to refer to it again. There are two main ways you can get information using this application. The first method is by clicking on a HUC 12 watershed area to view watershed characteristics in a pop-up window. The second is to use the screening tool found on the left side of the screen to define your own area of interest and generate a custom report. Detailed instructions on how to use the screening widget can be found in the splash screen or the About widget. When you click on a HUC 12 watershed, a pop-up will appear containing some information about the watershed, including how many acres, how many miles of streams, acres of water bodies, and acres of wetlands are within the watershed, how many acres have been burned, and what percentage of the watershed that makes up. Below that, you'll see several tables. First, a breakdown of land ownership types, soil burn severity classes, slope categories, and aspect. To use the screening widget to generate a custom report, first define an area of interest with one of the three provided methods. Use the place name option to search for a location or address within the map. Use draw to draw a point, line, or polygon on the map, or select a feature. Use the choose selectable layers list to define the layers that are selectable in the map. You can choose from HUC 12 watersheds, building footprints, or San Miguel County parcels. Lastly, use the shapefile option to upload a zipped shapefile. Whichever method you use, you can also apply an optional buffer by choosing the units and entering the buffer distance. You can also click Start Over if you want to remove your area of interest and create a new one. When you have your area of interest ready, click the Report button to analyze the configured layers within your area of interest. This analysis may take some time. You can see the spinning loading icon next to layers that are still processing. If the analysis takes long enough, you might see a message in your browser asking if you want to terminate the process. You can click the Wait button and the process will continue to run. Once the analysis is finished, you can explore the results. You can expand the result details by clicking a layer. Click the Settings button to choose the fields that are presented within the results. You can optionally add an additional layer for analysis by clicking the Upload button. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to select a local zip shapefile. You can change the units for the analysis by clicking the Choose Units for Analysis button. A window will appear allowing you to choose the length and area units for the results. If you want to refresh the analysis results for the current area of interest, you can do so by clicking the Refresh Report button. The Download button will allow you to download feature information in CSV file, file geodatabase, or shapefile format. Finally, you can print a report of the analysis results by clicking the Report button and choosing a page size and orientation. The report will also include a map, so first you can adjust the base map if necessary, the map extent, and visible layers by toggling them on and off in the legend, however you'd like them to appear in the map. When you hit print, a new window will appear containing the report. The map may take some time to load. In the report, you can change the report title or enter comments below the map. Below that, you'll see a summary table containing a summary of all the layers that were included in the intersect analysis. Below that, you'll find tables with a breakdown of all the features intersecting your analysis area, including area or length calculations in your desired units. These tables include all of the same data shown in the pop-ups, but instead of the HUC 12 watershed scale, they are calculated for your area of interest. These include NHD flow lines and water bodies, NWI wetlands, Surface Management Agency, soil burn severity types, slope ranges, and aspect. At the bottom of the report, you'll see recommended treatments. Click on the link to open a document with more information on recommended treatments. Similarly, you'll find a link to a funding matrix containing funding sources. Once you finish customizing the report elements, you can click the Print button in the top right to either print directly to a printer or save the report as a PDF.